Good evening, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm starting it off first of all in my garage. See, I got it nice and clean, or well, nice and clean versus the way it used to look. Well, what I'm going to do now is I have my seat over here in the corner, one of the extra seats that came out of the GTO. I have that in the corner, and I have a guy that reached out to me from Pennsylvania that's coming down to pick up some parts off the OG goat. So this is the night before. I'm actually getting the seat out now so I can put it on the truck tomorrow morning and head up to the OG goat to take off the rest of the stuff to have it ready for him when he gets here. So this is the start of it. Okay, got the seat out. I'm just gonna pull the plastic bag off, clean it up a little bit. Just got some more dust on the bottom, but other than that, it looks pretty good. I also have to put the back on right here. Not sure how it came off or how it goes back on, but I'm gonna try to do my best to get it to go back on. All right, got the OG goat here. I'm taking stuff out of it because it's I'm selling stuff to someone else who happens to actually have a Yellow Jacket GTO. So the goat is supporting another Yellow Jacket GTO. So he's buying the front two seats for me, the rear bumper, the trunk lid, and the radio and the bezel around the radio. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm in the process of taking all this stuff off to get ready to sell it. All right, I'm taking the rear bumper cover off. As I said in another video, the goat gives life to other GTOs, and that's a good thing. It keeps giving and giving. But I'm pulling the rear bumper cover off right now, and in order to take this bumper cover off, I'm just going to show you what you have to do. You have two bolts that goes here. There's a bracket that goes here that I took off, and there's a bolt down here. And then if you come back here, if you pull the headlight out, I mean the tail light out, you'll see there's another bracket right in there, and the bolts for that bracket are right there, and the same thing on this side. So pull the carpet thing back in the trunk, and you'll see the bolts to that bracket right there. And again, this one is right behind the fender. If you pull the fender out, which I'll pull back some, but if you see right here, that's the bumper bolts right there, and it looks like it doesn't have any in it, at least in that part. So I'll just go ahead and take everything else off and get that going. Alright, I'm on my way to meet up with the guy now. He has the yellow GTO that he's buying a trunk lid, the rear bumper cover, the radio, and the center bezel around the radio. And so he's going to get that now, or I'm going to meet him now so he can get that. And he wants to come and look at the car, so he said it might be some more stuff on the car that he wants. So right now the OG GTO is looking like a skeleton. Alright, coming back from delivering all the parts to Rich, the guy with the yellow GTO, and I'm going to insert a video right here of the GTO. He didn't want to be on camera or anything, so I just went around the car just to show you guys the car without putting him on video. But he's from Pennsylvania, and he got a really good deal on his GTO, and he asked me did I think it was a good deal. Dad finally finished his truck. And how that look? I didn't get a chance to get this full build done. At least recorded. I didn't get a chance to get this full build recorded, but you saw the beginning of it, and you see it now. Alright, finishing this video where it started in my garage. Today on the videos you saw that I actually sold some parts off the OG goat. It's good that the OG goat is helping other GTOs survive. If you don't know, GTO is a dying breed. Basically, everybody's wrecking them, and so they're ending up in the salvage yards. And it's a good thing that my GTO is helping another one live on, I guess. So continue watching my videos. Click like, subscribe, and share the videos. Comment on them. And I have a lot more to come with the GTO, and hopefully a new project coming soon. Thanks.